So hello everyone, welcome back to Oliveboard Regulatory Bodies. I hope that your preparation for NABARD Grade A 2024 examination is going well. We know exam is on 1st of September and today we are going to fill the form for NABARD Grade A 2024. जी हाँ, let's try to fill the form together. कोई भी doubts वगैरह होंगे definitely you can see this video and try to look at कि ये form actually fill कैसे किया जा सकता है. Is it okay? Let's start to fill the form. It's very simple to understand कि फॉर्म कैसे फिल करना है. पहले तो आप जाइए नाबार्ड ग्रेड ए 2024 apply online. You can put any keywords anyways. Okay, so here NABARD career notices comes. Okay, if you want to read about the detailed notification and related information, here our blog is also there, Oliveboard blog. You can go here, आपको सारी information मिल जाएगी from past year cutoffs, trend analysis, everything here you will get. It's a very informative source. You can go there. करियर नोटिसेस में जाइए, हियर यू विल सी हियर पहला ही जो नोटिस. So one more thing guys, here the name, here it is a very important instruction. For example, look at it, this name should match exactly the name on your documents. And you know what, this is not the name on my documents. So if you see, आपका जो नाम है उसका जैसा ऑर्डर है वैसे नाम दीजिएगा. So my first name here is Nikam, which is my surname, then it's Suraj. Okay, so this was very important, that's why I'm pointing it out. And then it's my father's name. Okay, मोबाइल नंबर वहाँ यहाँ पर वगैरह सारी चीजें डाल दीजिएगा. ओके okay, I'm blurring out some of the important details which should not be outside. Okay, तो ये सारी डिटेल्स मैं डेफिनेटली एडिट कर दूंगा. आप भी ये डिटेल्स इंपॉर्टेंटली फिल करिएगा. अल्टरनेटिव नंबर्स में एक किसी का भी नंबर दे सकते हो, अगर आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा सिम कार्ड है तो वो भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ईमेल आईडी इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, ईमेल आईडी पे आपको अपडेट वगैरह मिलेंगे, सो आपका जो भी ईमेल आईडी है वो यहाँ पर आप डाल सकते हो. ठीक है, आई हैव ब्लर्ड आउट मेनी ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज देयर. ओके, तो ओके अगेन कंफर्म भी कर देना सारी चीजें जो भी आप लिख रहे हो, उन सारी चीजों को आप कंफर्म कर देना. ओके, एंड देन कम्स दिस इज द सिक्योरिटी. सो सिक्योरिटी कोड यहाँ पर आप डाल सकते हो, सिक्योरिटी कोड X44J8. ठीक है, डाल दिया. सेव नेक्स्ट. सो हियर एरर इज देयर. ओके, तो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस आ गई थी गाइज. ओके, तो स्पेस यहाँ पर मेक श्योर दैट यू आर लाइक सारे स्पेसेस को डिलीट करना. अब आता है इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, फोटोग्राफ. So as I was saying to you guys, I have all the documents which are ready with me. The documents include photograph, signature, thumb impression, and your declaration. So see, for all these four documents, two important aspects are there. One is the dimensions, and second is the size. The size is very very important, mind you. Okay. Now try to understand very clearly. I will just now give you a sample that how you can change the size and dimensions of your photograph. See here, I have already uploaded and NABARD website has already accepted it also. So photo here uploaded and signature also has been uploaded. Let us do next, and then I will tell you how you can even do the images. So it's very simple. I hope that you are having all your images, then thumb impression, signature, and declaration stash in your computer on your desktop. Okay, so you are having the cache with you. Simple, any of the photograph which you are having, just go in the paint, open with paint. Here this is your resizing option. Go in the pixels, remove the aspect ratio, and here whatever aspect ratio has been given in your notification, dimensions 140 into 60 pixel, then for your thumb impression 240 into 240 pixel, photograph it is 200 into 230 pixel. In this way you can put your dimensions and you can convert that photograph. Once that photograph is done, you save as it on the desktop. Now you have to look into that what is the size of this particular photograph. So check it out. The size of this photograph is 12.8 kb, whereas in the notification here it should be between 20 kb to 50 kb. So now how to resize this? Again, many students are having doubts. No worries. Here a website is there. You can just go on Google, guys. Okay. और यहाँ पर if you write image resizer, the first website comes. You upload any of the photograph, for example Suraj Nab here, and then with the dimensions keeping same, you write the target file size. Our target file size is between 20 kb to 30 kb, right? So write it down, maybe 30 kb here. And then once you write this 30 kb and resize the image, it will process and it will resize your image. Once the resize image is there, you download it, and once you download it, you will have it in your downloads and you can upload it. Okay. In similar fashion, first change the dimensions of the image, then change the size of the image. Also, when you are naming the images, make sure there is no space in that names, otherwise again the NABARD platform does not accept it. Now the post here has been written assistant manager grade A Rajbhasha and grade A RDBS. We are choosing RDBS here. Discipline general. I am from UR category, so if you are from EWS, type click EWS, OBC, ST and SC. These details are very important, guys. Now persons with benchmark disability, that is 40% and above, if you are yes, write it yes, and if you write yes, then you also have to tell which of the disability you are having or which category do you fall into. Do you need compensatory time at the time of exam? No. If you are only persons with benchmark disability, then only these options will be available for you. Okay. So which religion do you belong to? This you can write your religion here. Do you belong to religious minority community? If you are yes, you can write yes. Caste certificate, similarly you can write all those things. Okay. Ex serviceman हो कि नहीं? नहीं. ठीक है. Then you, if you are an ex serviceman, you can even write about all these things. Are you a child or family member of those who died in 1984 riots? No. If yes, you can write that. Are you an employee of NABARD? No. Okay. Citizenship here has been written. State here you can write the state or UT to which examination center belongs to. So here I am going to write where I belong right now, or what just is my location. I am writing Karnataka here, and here I will write Bengaluru, and face to center also I am going to write Bengaluru. Okay. Date of birth also has been given here. Here you can write your date of birth. For example, 7th of April 1997 is my birthday, so you can write this. Okay. Gender here male. Do you have twin brother or sister? No, of course. Gender of twin, of course, as brother only is, or sibling is only not there, then how you can write. Okay. Marital status you can write here, whatever your marital status is there, and then all the details are related to father's name, mother's name, spouse name, your address, your permanent address, and then you can even write the pin code and all. And here you can see this is the overall fee, application fee. As I'm a general category, I'll be paying 1003 rupees. Okay. So you can fill all these details. So I would request you guys also to fill all the details. Okay. Once you fill this detail, you can click save and next, and you will reach to the next section, that is preview. Okay. In the next part of detail section is your educational qualification, higher academic qualification, and what you can do is that you can again fill the details here. So graduation or bachelor degree, you can write whatever degree you are having. Okay. So art, science, commerce, postgraduate degree, okay, diploma, professional qualification, etc, etc. Write the date of passing, percentage of marks, class grade, etc. Higher academic qualification, yes, it means that nothing but are you in any of the like working professional, are you a working professional, or what is your occupation. So you can write the name of the employer, you can write what is your designation, and you can add your overall occupation here. Languages also, which of the languages you can read, write and speak, which you can either read or write. or either write or speak. You can write this and fill this detail and then move to the preview section. So once you fill the all the details here, you can go into the preview section. So preview section is nothing, you will get a preview of overall application, whatever you have registered up till now. Basic information, photo signature, all the details, which includes your personal details as well as your educational qualification and work experience. Everything when you will be filling, then at the bottom in the preview section you can again give a small declaration and then submit. Once you submit, you come to the main section, that is uploads. In uploads, again as I tell you, yes, go to the notification here, thumb impression, its dimension and size has been given. Similarly, declaration, size and dimensions have been given. Check them and upload them. Then here security code is there, you can fill this security code as well and then just save and next. Now once you fill it here, now payment mode will start. So just you have to do nothing now. You can put your security code here and then you can submit. It will automatically redirect you to the payments page. It will give you multiple options to do the payment. So don't worry about it, your almost application or registration is done. This is all about the registration video. I hope that it was helpful and it in this particular video you also understood what are the small minute mistakes which may actually take a toll of your time and actually may give you headache कि ये सबमिट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, ये वेबसाइट इसको एक्सेप्ट क्यों नहीं कर रही है, फोटो के डायमेंशन सही है, फिर उसकी साइज भी सही है, then what is the problem? Maybe the problem is in name. So that's why I hope that this particular video will help you to understand how to fill the application form. Payments is very simple. You can either pay through your through your card, either through UPI or any other form of. Also they have given multiple options. Choose the option which suits you, pay it and just finish your registration. 1,000 rupees is for unreserved category. For different categories, different application fee would be there. Fill that and just finish the application form. This was related to NABARD application form filling or registration for NABARD Grade A 2024 phase 1 and phase 2. So similarly, RBI Grade B also here, Lakshmi ma'am will be bringing a video. One more thing guys, if you are a student who is preparing for NABARD Grade A 2024 and if you think that in these 30 days you won't be able to do the preparation, then don't worry, just search Oliveboard, go on our website. Once you go on our website, here when you will scroll down in the NABARD section, we have launched two important courses. One is crash course for phase 1 and phase 2. Crash course is nothing but we provide all the live classes for ESI, ARD, all the qualifying sections such as quant, reasoning, English, then decision making, computer awareness. Apart from that, you also get notes for all these classes. You also get top curated mock tests for phase 1, phase 2, in which full length mock tests are there, sectional are there, topic wise tests are there. This is your NABARD Grade A crash course. It's a comprehensive course for your selection. Other than that, if you are a student who is just needing the resources just for notes purposes and top quality mock tests, we have launched NABARD Grade A 2024 Learn Pack. You can even get current affairs which is related to PIB, all those magazines also you will get, PIB magazines, government schemes magazines, agricultural current affairs will be covered in this magazine sections, and test and notes you will be getting here in this section, tests also and notes also. For NABARD Grade A crash course for phase 1 and phase 2, these resources are already available, along with these video lectures are also provided. So don't waste your opportunity guys, this is the best thing which you can have, a gateway ticket to clear NABARD Grade A 2024 along with me. Okay, so just go and check out the details of all these courses. You can just go whenever you are opening any of our courses. For example, here you go, you want to take NABARD Grade A crash course, you can go here, subscribe. Already offer is going on, you can use the coupon code B, like birthday coupon code is going on, birthday bash coupon code. Here if you are using BDA and if you are redeeming, then see here you are getting directly 50% off. So utilize this and start your preparation, and best of luck.